Welcome to autobarstop.com. Today we are so pleased to introduce you Twitter automation tool, which can support you in doing any activities on Twitter, like auto update either bio website inbound, select users, auto follow, unfollow message, auto like, reply to users tweet inbound, agree follows, likes, auto post tweet on Twitter, on mass retweets for Twitter posts. In this video, we will present instructions on how to mass retweet for Twitter posts with Twitter automation tool. There are several basic settings you need to set up before running this function. Please refer to the video of tutorial how to update avatar bio and website for Twitter accounts automatically from minute 1:30 to minute 10:15. I will post link of this video in the description box. After finishing your basic setting, now you will select Retweet and Action section. Next, at least a post section, you will create a text file which contains links or posts that you want to retweet. For example, this is the post that I want to retweet. Click on this and then copy this link. Paste it into the text file created. Click to save. And at least a post section, click on this icon so that the links are post created. Click OK to run, and you can click on Show Browser to see how the software retweets the post that you want. Now, back to the post, you will see number of retweets here is increased to 10 now. These demonstrated above are instructions on how to mass retweet for Twitter posts with Twitter automation tool. You can visit autobarstop.com to see more useful software. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.